Whoa. Oh, hi, friends. How about some monster trucks in the rain? Here comes the last one. He loves water.